Yeah, bro. I wasn't even gonna record till like the weekend, but damn, but it's a beautiful day. Oh God, daylight saving, bro, get me right. Oh God, I just got out of work and the sun's still out, bro. Sun's still out, but you hear the idle. We finna get a little POV in, and yeah, but y'all let me know what y'all think about the car, man. Let me know what you think about the wrap on it, bitch. Oh God. And it's oh yeah, I forgot I just got 5% tint. So we're gonna see what it look like. 5%. Oh God, yeah. 35 up front, 35 up front, 5. No tint from the factory. And 5 back there. Shit, we gonna see what this shit like though. I ain't even, I gotta wipe the camera out, bro. Hold on, pause, give me like 2 seconds. And we back in the door. Yeah, so now we won't be driving too. Damn, look at the sun already going down, bro. Bro, nah, I ain't even talk about it. I'm finna go ahead and get this going. Roll down the window a little bit. I wanna get y'all, damn, I didn't say all the way. Roll down a little bit. Down, there we go. Roll down the back too, get y'all a little sound in. I keep that how it is. I ain't gonna have it too far down, cause I don't want too much wind going in, you feel me? Oh shit. Don't forget we straight pipe, but we don't have headers. We just got the mid pipe. Ooh. Alright, bet, there we go. Y'all let me know if I should drop the video on how I prevent my car from getting stolen. Y'all just comment down below. Make sure you leave a like too, cause you gotta leave a like. Come on now. I'm giving you content as much as I possibly can. Oh, look at the hood, but the hood sparkles so hard. But hey, forget all the swipes and shit on my glass. I still can't even wipe it off till like tomorrow, cause I had to let this shit sit for like 3 days. Look at the dog, but he better not run out into the car. What am I doing, bro? I'm driving the Ego mode with double tap. Hey, where we at with it? Yes, sir. Already. Damn, this be a lot of hell. I be surprised every time, cause like the past couple days I had to ride with my windows up, cause I just got the tint. I forgot how loud this shit really is. Still not as loud as the Mustang though, but yeah, this shit right here tweaking, it be a lot of hell. This is GTA roleplay. You know, GTA 6 roleplay. I'm the only one that got the game too. I don't care. On a PlayStation 6. Early access, you got it. Let me slow down son, cause this road is kinda narrow right here. Oh, that good quality too, oh God. I only get the good quality when the sun out. When the sun not out, bro, that quality be so butt. iPhone camera. I mean, it's good when the sun out, but sun. But hurry your slow ass up, old ass lady. I mean, let me stop. I apologize. That lady ain't do nothing wrong. She just driving slow, which she should be doing anyway. But don't be driving like me. So I wish I could downshift for y'all so bad. I mean, I can, but I ain't gonna be able to hold that shit for real, or upshift for real, cause I be having to switch shit like that. I do that shit very rarely. Here we go, another slow motherfucker. Oh, never mind, he going. Check right there, you know you gotta check both ways, left and right. And then get the fuck out of here. Oh shit, I almost hit it, I almost went sideways, but that car came. Oh shit, I don't even know about shit I get on the freeway, bro. You know what? Y'all comment down below if I should get another freeway video. Well, I just preach that whole non-stop. Y'all let me know about y'all comment down below. Like, oh yeah, I forgot. I ain't even do the damn introduction. This is boy Nato Nation. Like, share, subscribe. You already know what's going on. Nato Nation will be big one day. I don't care. I don't get no fuck. Bro, I hope I ain't cussing the first minute of, damn, that's a big ass. What even is, what the, I ain't even finna worry about it. You know what, I'm gonna just keep my good pose. I'm gonna just keep pushing it. I'm finna give me some damn McDonald's too, oh God. I'm gonna skip past all this shit, never mind, cause shit look like it's going, bumpy ass road, fuck Birmingham, I hate Birmingham, bro. I wanna move to like somewhere like California or some shit. We got little sideways action, with the traction still on. It's just a damn track mode. So I still got traction still on, so I can't even hit it all the way without the engine holding me back. Y'all let me know also if I should add music while I'm driving or some shit. Like music, like while I'm editing, or just keep it raw footage. Man, traffic, bro. This shit wild, bro. Daylight savings, like at this time of the day, bro. Like I say about yesterday, bro. It would have been pitch black out here. Now the sun still out, bro. This shit fire as hell. Bumpy. I'm sorry about the bumpy footage too. I do not mean to do that shit on purpose. Bro, I'm trying to push it through the traffic, bro. You know what? I'm gonna roll the window up because I forgot I got the tint just so I don't be seen. You feel me? I'll leave it cracked like that, bro. Can't nobody see me in here. That bitch said, man, I can't downshift no more. That bitch all the way at 1. Shit, I want to push it so bad, but I don't have no police radar, so, you know, I don't know where the police be at. And I don't need no more tickets, bro. They give me some more tickets, bro, they might take my car. And I don't need that. Look at this. That is a fake speedometer, bro. Don't take that shit serious, bro. I'm not going that fast. My shit broke. My shit broke in the video game. Yeah, I forgot. Cause this shit looks so real, you feel me? Bro, come on now. What the fuck? What? Come on now. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? We is in a fucking car, nigga. Slow ass driving ass nigga, retarded ass nigga. But get the fuck out the way, bro. Get the fuck out the road, nigga. You should not be driving out there. Your ass driving a little bit too slow. Oh God. Ooh, I'm trying to push that hoe. Oh God, but I hope the police don't get behind me. Cause I'm hitting the gas. I'm not stopping. Like I said, I don't need no more tickets. Look, but they had tweaking on God behind it. They had tweaking in the down. They spazzing out. Yep, going around all of this shit. I'm trying to get y'all some footage, bro. Everybody driving slow as hell. Speed limit probably 45. Everybody going 30. Get the going, bitch. Get the pushing. Imagine if everybody had Scatpacks on the road. Oh, hell no. Everybody be going crazy. Yeah, I ain't gonna rent it. I ain't gonna do it. I'm gonna be a good civilian this time. I'm not gonna do it. And we back, it's a green light. I'm not gonna hit it because there's police right behind me. Wait till I get on that freeway, I'm gonna dip on his ass. Oh God, I'm dipping on his ass, but fuck you talking about. Language, my bad, I apologize, but I gotta watch myself. I cuss entirely too much for no reason. I just be hyper as hell. Back on the road. Oh, I dig a little slippery in there, just a little slippery. Ah, hell, man, now we got another one of you down. Nissan Optimus, but he better not push that hoe behind me. Push that hoe behind me. I'm taking off this time. I'm not playing with you, bro. Y'all must scare me. Oh God, y'all must dangerous. And this road about to be bumpy as hell. Just wait for it. Let me roll the window down just a tad bit. And I'm out of here. But I can't push it because there's traffic everywhere, bro. But what the fuck they got going on the side of the road? He got the rims on that bitch. That's why you ass stuck on the side of the road, bitch. You got them big ass rims with no tie. What the hell is that? Is that a Hellcat on the other side of the road? Hell no, that ain't no Hellcat. That's just Scatpack. That's just a twin. I know these folks be mad as hell when I fly past them, bro. I already know it. traffic on, man. Oh, grandma, she driving fast as hell. She don't want to let me pass. I see how it is. I get to acting up out there, hell, cut your ass off. Don't say shit. Don't say a damn thing. I am not a menace. I'm a good person. I swear. Get your ass home. Get your ass home. Time to go give me some gas. Time to go give me some gas. Yo, I'm rolling my windows up. I know I got wind in here. I know it, but that shit like, ooh, traffic bit. I'm getting out. I am not going through that. Look at that long ass line. You can't even see it, bro, because I got my shit down 0.5x. But damn, but that traffic big hell. I'm not going that way. I'm staying my ass deal way. Oh God, you not finna catch me in that shit, boy. Hell nah. Come on now, boy. Hell nah, ain't nobody that way, boy. Get your ass home, boy. That's what I'm saying, boy. Everybody driving slow as fuck. Speed limit is not this slow, bro. I don't even know. I wish I could show you how much G-force this shit is, but I'm hugging the fuck out the damn corner. Oh God. I can feel my brain on the side of my ear. Come on now, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my, bro. Okay, yeah, that's acceptable, but your ass better go after the car. And your ass better go too. Y'all nigga retarded. And then you gonna go right to the edge just so a nigga can smack yo dumb stupid. Get the fuck out my way, bro. I can't see shit, nigga. There we go. I can go. Now let me get the damn McDonald's out of this so I can go ahead and go. Oh, is that a yellow? Is that a yellow? What that is? What that time out, Paul? What that is? That's a yellow Scat. Damn, big ass truck in the way. Damn, nah, that's a V6. I don't even want to talk about that. Yeah, no offense to the V6 on it. Y'all V6 on it. Some of y'all do we fine, huh? But not all y'all. Not all y'all. Just like roll my window back down. Nah. Y'all ain't finna get too much wind. Yeah, now I gotta get my ass over. Give me some gas. Then, damn, I should've got me some damn McDonald's first. Shit. I'm in there, caramel frappe. Oh God, keep me woke. That shit ain't got no caffeine in it though, but this shit still good as hell. Good as hell. I had lost his hair. Let me zoom in. I had lost his shit. She just came over here and walked the other way. Let me zoom in some more, bro. Hell nah, what the fuck? I know she had a hair. I know she had a hair. She just standing there at the bit. That's what that crack do to you, my boy. Crack do that shit, see? Oh God, I will never ever try that shit. The fuck? I look like. Bad part is, bro, I'm gonna have so much hate in the video. Oh God, just cause. I'm gonna have so many negative comments, but I don't really care. It is what it is. If I care about what people think, I wouldn't be doing YouTube, you feel me? But get the fuck, why you taking up most of the damn space, your dumb, stupid, retarded ass, and then you wanna, see man, these fucks out here be crazy, bro. I'm moving, bro. I'm not standing down, bro, man. This shit fucking stupid, retarded. Bro, this nigga been walking around his car for the past fucking 30 minutes, bro. I just pulled up, fam. What going on, fam? Crackheads everywhere, fam. Damn, fam. I'm in the white part too, on God, but the crackheads going over, but they're taking over, but what the fuck, bro? This just supposed to be a damn POV, and now hell nah. What the fuck? Like we might have us a little problem, bro. That police behind it. Oh, yeah, bitch. Yeah, why you try to get me like that, fam? Stupid ass retarded. Can you see his ass? You can't even see his ass. Damn, but I thought we had a little issue, but I thought he was finna try to get me. Oh, God. Oh, shit, boy. Tried to fuck up. I was at the gas station, bro, pumping my gas, whatever. I crunk up, went to McDonald's, like 2 minutes up the street, came back, because I had to pass that gas station again. He pulled into the gas station like he was looking for me. So I pulled into the apartment complex, and I guess he couldn't get into the gate, so he had to turn around. Oh, shit. Boy, I like the gated community, but the police can't come in. Police can't get their way in. Try to give me. I don't even know what he tried to give me for. Cause I ain't even do shit at the gas station. But anyway, that shit don't matter. Shit, I'm done. This the end of the video, but y'all go ahead, like, share, subscribe. Y'all already know the motto, the motto. You know what I'm trying to say. Nardo Nation gonna be big one day. Stop playing with him. Cause if you get big and you were playing with him, he gonna play with your ass. Like you fucking retarded. Anyway, I'm out of here.